Hey guys, we went to Walmart today and Nikki and I decided to sit in the vehicle with her Nana and Macy while her grandpa went in the store. And while we were sitting outside waiting, I noticed this car was not parked very far away from us, and these little birds were playing in the grill of the car. And they seemed to be having the time of their life. So watch this cute footage, and I hope that you enjoy this little video. Please remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and ring our bell notification if you can. God bless you all.